Hi guys, ShiggitayMedia here, and whoa, that light is way bright above me. But, I got myself a new computer because the setup you see over here is using my MacBook Pro from 2015, and what I wanted to do with it, how I set it up and everything, it lags. It doesn't do well under all that stress I'm putting putting it under. But instead, I got one of these. It wants to open, and yes, it's a Mac Mini, but not any old Mac Mini, but the new M1 equipped Mac Mini. And oh man, this is pretty snugly in there. And I ordered this off of Amazon, but from a seller called Adorama. Oh, there we go. And there she be, the M1 Mac Mini. And that's what it looks like all around. I think the specs are on the bottom. Yeah, whoa. Don't be jumping off my bed, please. I should have made my bed, but whatever. And let's see, can you see the specs? Yeah. Mac Mini, 8-core CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, 8-core GPU, and 1 gigabit Ethernet. I didn't get the 10 gigabit. Get over there. The 10 gigabit model because I don't have anything that can do 10 gigabit networking, and 1 gigabit is more than enough for me. So let's get something that can. Let's do the stabby here. Okay, you're going on a trip with me. Oh, here's a stabby. Haha. All right. And what is that? That's an error I gotta fix in a minute. Okay, so filming with one hand is totally not optimal. Actually, wait a minute. Doesn't it have a pull tab? I'm 99% sure it has a freaking pull tab to open it. I guess not. Alright, whatever. Where did I make the incision? Over here. Alright. And I'm not one of those that wants to preserve the plastic or whatever, so I'm just gonna freaking go at it. What happened to my hand? I wonder why it's hurt. Okay, whatever. So, come on, you. Come on. Okay. And this will be my first ever 4K video on my YouTube channel here. And let's see. I don't know how I can do this with one hand to lift it. Maybe I'll, let's see. Okay. I'm gonna have to make it, I'll be right back. Alright, so there's where the box, how it came off. Here is the system itself. And given it's a Mac Mini, there's not much that comes with it. Here's the system, okay? And it's in silver. It's, that's gonna have to come off in a minute. It's in silver. It's not the space gray because I don't think that's out yet as a color. So then you would get this, which is like the... Ooh, I think there's some Apple stickers in here, actually. Hold the phone. Literally, I'm holding my phone. Okay, Mac Mini pamphlet thingy. And... Okay, more BS like that. Aha, here it is. Here's a set of what I'm assuming to be, come on. Are you going to be the biggest butt on the planet and not come out? Alright, let me try it like this. There we go. Oh, a single Apple sticker. That's interesting. That's okay. Unless there's another one in here. Nope. Okay, so a single Apple sticker. That's totally fine. Alright. Put that over there. And the only other thing comes in the box, oh wow, is the power cord. Which is, that's how it is, because it is going to go where the two monitors are now, and that MacBook Pro will just be my MacBook again. Oh, hi. I see myself in the mirror. All right, so I am going to set this up and then show you how it looks like when I set it up. And yeah, I'll be back soon. All right, I haven't set it up yet, but I want to get this on camera. Okay. Let's see, maybe I need to, again, I don't care about preserving the sleeve really. Okay, it's out. And now, where is the easiest way to, oh, there we go, there's the pull tab for that. Now, when I pull this, we will reveal the I/O, the input output, the ports, etc. All right, put that with that. So we get the power button, nice little clicky power button, the power plug, 1 gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 4/Thunderbolt 3 ports, HDMI, and two USB-A and a headphone jack. Remember those? I do. Pepperidge Farm remembers. But yeah, here's the bottom, the side, the top. I'll forever appreciate the Omni Omega, the real OB, Omni OB, or whatever his name was, that YouTuber that did that. And yeah, here's the M1 Mac Mini, at least the hardware. And yeah, now I'm going to set it up, and I'll show you what it looks like in my setup. And this will be my first thing I edit using the now M1 native, a Blackmagic Design DaVinci Resolve in 4K. So this should be interesting. I've never edited anything in 4K, and this little guy should be a champ with it. So I'll be back once I set it up. And here is its first boot. I didn't mean to press the power button because I was just finagling stuff together, but I have both displays connected, and it looks like this one's coming alive. It's taking a moment. And there it is. This screen hasn't come alive yet. There it is. Holy crap. All right, let's go through the setup here. Oh, well, if the mouse doesn't get freaking tangled. And it has the arrangement correct. That's cool. All right, and select your country region, United States, yes. Say continue, okay. Not now, I don't need the help with that. Okay, I'm going to be wiring this in via Ethernet, but for now, I am going to enter my Wi-Fi password, and I'll be right back. Okay, now let's say continue. As it takes 10 years. Come on. Okay, cool. Data and privacy. Okay, continue, whatever, that's fine. Migration assistant. Not now. Apple ID, set up later. Yes, skip, I'll set that up later. Agree, agree. Okay, and now let me set up my user account. Okay, I messed up on my password the first time entering it, and it's all like, hey, that ain't matching. But I think I did it right now, because it's not immediately spitting it back at me. Okay. Okay, express setup. Continue. Sure, crash and usage data, that would help them. Screen time, okay, fine, continue. Siri, I'll keep her on. No, don't share audio recording. Next, or continue. And I'll have it on dark mode.
Hello,
okay, continue. I might change it to auto at some point. But look at that. I am up and running on the M1 Mac Mini. I guess I can't pinch to zoom on my phone. M1 freaking Mac Mini. And I'm gonna have to do some magic with that serial number there. But what's interesting is that the startup disk is Macintosh HD when it's not a hard disk drive, it's a solid state drive. It's an SSD. So that's some interesting trivia or interesting oddity that Apple's still calling the internal storage device Macintosh HD still when I moved away from hard drives. But anyway, everything is showing up perfectly. I had to get a USB-C to DVI adapter, and what I'm curious about is, let's see, about this Mac, system report. Okay, and I'll have to, I'm going to change the host name in a while, but let's see. Does it see my capture card? It does. It sees the, at least the thing, the enclosure box down there that it's sitting in. And let's see, yeah, it sees that. Everything looks like it's going to be working just fine for what I want to do. All right, now, oh, hi hand, talk to the hand, but not really. Thanks for watching, guys. I mean, I'm more excited than I seem to be. I'll be putting this guy through its paces. And yeah, like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. I'm sorry this wasn't the kind of unboxing and first look video that most people do, but that's what I ended up being able to do with my level of excitement. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Like, comment, favorite, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Like I tried out in my iPhone 8 Plus unboxing video. Shiggitai up, over, and gone. Take care, everybody.